This annoying new weed is popping up all over the place. And August is when it really takes off. People are starting to spot it everywhere. It looks like a dandelion, but it has these massive taproots, twin flower heads on a single stem, giant puffballs, and really distinct dark green stems. The real nightmare is that it spreads through underground rhizomes, which regular dandelions just don't do. To clear it out, you actually need to use liquid seaweed fertilizer. Mix exactly 1 teaspoon of liquid seaweed into a 5-liter watering can and drench any patch where you see it, or where you used to have regular dandelions and groundsel every single week. This specific weed feeds 5 times faster than a standard garden plant. To put that in perspective, regular weeds already feed 2.5 times faster than normal plants. But this new one takes up nutrients at an extreme rate. By hitting it with the seaweed weekly, you force it to gorge on the mixture until it rapidly overdoses and suffers fatal nutrient burn, while leaving your lawn and roses completely fine because they absorb things at a safe, normal pace.